Toaster oven chicken nuggets. Food items: 2 pre-cooked chicken nuggets, barbecue sauce, items: toaster oven, hot pads or oven mitts, salad plate, spatula, tongs, one tablespoon measuring spoon, directions. Open the bag of chicken nuggets and take out 2 nuggets using tongs. Place the nuggets on your plate. Bring the plate over to the toaster oven. Using the hot pad, open the door and pull out the small tray. Place your 2 nuggets on the tray. Slide the tray into the toaster oven and close the door. Turn your temperature to dial to 175, 350 degrees. Right there. Set your toaster oven timer dial to 5 minutes. Let your nuggets cook. While you are waiting, put 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce for dipping onto your plate. When the timer rings, use the hot pad to open the toaster oven door and pull out the tray. Place the hot tray on another hot pad. Use the spatula to scoop the nuggets off the tray and onto your plate. Enjoy your nuggets.